Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about CRUST Network. CRUST Network has made some amazing strides in the depths of this bear market. I've been talking about this cryptocurrency for a long time now. I'm one of the people that called this cryptocurrency. I do believe it's going to be big. So we're going to be discussing a few points regarding this token. But before we do, you guys already know, I do have to say, this is merely my opinion. None of this is financial advice. And guys, like I always say, go check out the Patreon. The last pilot was about 2 days ago. Now, was it yesterday? I don't even remember, guys. It did about a 200% at the heights. Had you guys been on the Patreon, you would have made more than double your money. So again, big gains to be made in the Patreon. It speaks for itself, guys. These pilots are going insane. You guys already know. So what's stopping you guys from joining? There's a plethora of different benefits. Even if you guys don't even want the pilots. If you don't want to make 2x, 3x, up to 30x your money in the depths of the bear market, fine. There are so many benefits. For example, with the boss tier, you get one-to-one consultations. So you guys that are new to crypto, that want to go through your portfolio, manage it, and do a few more different services, that tier is for you. Portfolio access and many, many more over at the Patreon. But let's get straight into this video. So, regarding CRUST Network, this is a personal, not really personal arguably, this is a file or storage related cryptocurrency. You guys already know there's a few storage cryptocurrencies out there, such as Filecoin, such as Stratos, which I know you guys love, and CRUST Network is one of them. But in my opinion, this is a gem that will set you up for financial freedom. So it's made some amazing waves in the depths of this bear market, like I said before. Nearly today, it's up 30%, which is absolutely insane. Had you guys invested into stocks, for example, the S&P 500, the S&P 500 to get 30% gains, you guys would need to invest into it for like 5 to 6 years to get the same amount of gains that CRUST Network did today. It just puts into perspective how good crypto is. And CRUST Network is amazing, guys. In the past month, yes, in the past month, it's been up almost 3x your money. Yes, 3x your money, which is absolutely insane, guys. I love to see this. Some good organic growth from my favorite project in the storage industry. So if you guys don't know what CRUST Network is, I'll give you guys a brief overview of this project because I have so many videos on this project already. So they have three main things behind them: personal file storage, NFT and metaverse metadata storage, and website and D-app hosting. Those three things, the three main functions, cover so many different things within the storage industry. For example, why wouldn't you want the decentralization of your personal file storage? Tell me. Big tech always sell your data for money. They always tilt towards corruption. Do you guys believe they're ever going to change? They're growing and growing. Technology is an ever-growing field. They're just going to get more and more and more power. And I don't want them to have a hold of my data. I want my data to be mine. And that is what's happening over at CRUST Network. That's just one of the main things. If you guys don't know what metadata is, I'll give you guys a good example to understand. For example, if I took a picture